Today we're unboxing 2019 Season's Greetings by BTS. My shipment took a little long to arrive, but it's finally here so we can unbox it and see what's inside. To start writing on my diary, I prepared few photo printouts. Let's start with cutting them. We have all the photos cut and ready. Let's take a look at the diary. As you saw in the unboxing section, the diary comes with photo cover page and holographic cover page, and then the entry pages and the photo book in the back. Depending on your purpose for this diary, you can move pages or take them out altogether. So I'll go ahead, do a few adjustments, and we'll be back. I think I'm pretty happy with how the pages are arranged now. So let's start with the monthly spread. I'll arrange some of the photos the members shared via viewers. Next up is the New Year's Day spread. Here I'm including 3 things. First up, the V Live countdown they did with the ARMY. Second up is their YouTube Pantam Bomb video. where they shared their New Year's resolutions. Last up, of course, they concert at Times Square. Next up, because I enjoyed Bon Voyage 4 so much, we have a dedicated page. If you've seen the videos, you can definitely tell. The members also really enjoyed this Bon Voyage. Next up, gonna do the comeback spread with the comeback map featured on the both sides. Lastly, let's do Connect BTS spread. Similar to the comeback spread, I'll have exhibition infos featured on the both sides. Now let's set up the spread for the launch of Connect BTS. We're done playing with the pictures, putting the general layout for each pages. So let's start filling in some of the contents. For example, on this New Year's page, we want to add each member's New Year's resolutions. Let's get into it. Because this video is getting very long, I'm gonna stop here and fill in some of the spreads I left empty off camera. The idea for this diary is to track BTS concerts and activities in 2020. Because of an issue with shipping, I received my season's greeting package after BTS announced their comeback schedule, which left me with so many content to cover with. Going forward, I'm hoping to post weekly updates on BTS, so if you're interested in this kind of content, please subscribe and like this video. See you next time!